Hello everyone. This is Dr. D. Sreelakshmi, Assistant Professor in the Department of AML at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. In this section, I am going to discuss about minimum spanning tree Kruskal algorithm. In my previous lecture, I discussed minimum spanning tree Prim's algorithm, and today I am going to discuss about Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm is also a part of minimum spanning tree, or the second method of the minimum spanning tree to find out the shortest path or minimum path. It takes a graph as an input and finds the subset of the edges of that graph which form a tree, and that includes every vertex has the minimum sum of weights among all the trees that can be formed from the graph. Here, based on the edges which are having minimum weight, we will pick, not based on the vertex to vertex connection as we seen in the Prim's algorithm. Here the concentration is on finds the subset of the edges of that graph which forms a tree, and then it includes every vertex which is having the minimum sum of the weights. It falls under a class of algorithms called greedy algorithms. The Kruskal algorithm falls under greedy algorithms that find the local optimums in the hopes of the finding a global optimum. And here, to identify the minimum spanning tree, the steps are sort all the edges from low weight to high. So we need to collect based on the minimum weights. And next, take the edge with the lowest weight and add it to the spanning tree. So each and every time we need to repeat the same step until we revisit all the vertices. This is about Kruskal's algorithm. First one, sort all the edges from the low weight to high. Take the edge with the lowest weight and add it to the spanning tree. If adding the edge created a cycle, then rejects this edge. This is very important point where we need to remember. When we are adding the edge, before visiting all the vertices, we should not close the cycle. If the selected edge is creating a cycle, then we should reject that edge. Since we need to visit all the vertices, before visiting all the vertices, we should not close the cycle. This is very, very important when we are finding out the minimum spanning tree, both in Prim's algorithm and in Kruskal algorithm. And third step, keep adding the edges until we reach all the vertices. Now, with an example, we will move on. So here, this is a figure given, an undirected connected graph. For this, we need to list out the edges with minimum weight. So initially, we will name these vertices as A, B, C, D, E, F. And now I am going to collect the edges which are having minimum weight. So here, if you see B to C, 2, C to E, 2, C to D, 3, D to F, 3, E to F, 3, C to A, 4, and then A to B, 4. Since it is undirected graph, C to B is 2, E to C is 2, DC is 3, FD is 3, FE is 3, AC is 4, BA is also 4. Since it is undirected graph. Now, starting with minimum weight, wherever it is there, wherever the edge is present, we need to select. Step 1 is done. Step 1 is done. Now, step 2. Initially, we are going to select B to C. Next, unfortunately, next minimum weight is also 2. So, even this edge we can consider. And next edge is, we can select in Prim's algorithm. By default, we need to select the other vertex either from C or from E or from B. But here there is no mandatory to start like that or to traverse like that. You can select any edge. Now I'm going to select the edge D, F. So which is having weight 3. And next I can select any other edge like a CD or EF. I'm going to consider EF with weight 3. Now the only leftover vertex is A. And here in second point there is a condition, without visiting all the vertices we should not close the graph or close the cycle. If so, then we need to reject that. So here is an example. One more minimum weight is there, 3, that is C to D. C to D, 3. This should not be happened. We should neglect this edge, because if once you select this edge, it is forming a cycle. Here it is forming a cycle where we should not consider it. So in order to do that, what we should do means we should reject this particular edge. We should go with next edge which is having minimum weight 4, so that vertex A is also visited. And here this is an minimum spanning tree. And what is the minimum weight? 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So here 14 is the minimum weight. And even if you apply Prim's algorithm, you will get 14 only. Might be the graph representation will be differ as we are choosing the vertices. And one more example with Kruskal algorithm. Here 5 vertices were given, as same as this previous example. The step 1 is consider the nodes and consider the edges which are having the minimum weight. So among these, the minimum weight is from B to D or D to B is 2. And next A to D also 2. Next C to E is 3. Next C to D, C to B is 4. Next E to D is 4. Next minimum where it is A to B 5 and E to B 5. And next minimum 6. D to C 6. And next minimum A to C 7. And next minimum A to E 10. So we listed all the minimum edges. Now the step 2 is considering the edges whichever having minimum weight. So now first we are going to take BD with weight 2. And now the second is A to D with 2. And next minimum is C to E. C is here and E is here. C to E 3. In Prim's algorithm, this is not possible. We should select the other vertex, that is the fourth vertex, from A or from B or from D. Whereas in Kruskal algorithm, we should travel based on the minimum edges. So now I can select C to E as the next edge 3. And next one is whichever minimum, next is 4, CB. We can take CB or you can take DE. So these two are possible. So I'm going to connect C, B with weight 4. Now if you observe, all the vertices were visited. It is observed that all the vertices were visited. So now we will take the minimum weight. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So here the minimum weight is 11, and this is the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal algorithm. And here you will get a doubt that previously here all vertices were visited. Why can't we stop here? Since A, B, C, D, E, all the vertices were visited. Now, why to consider this particular edge? Why to consider this particular edge CB? Or else any other? Any other in the sense, E to D is one more edge connection is there. E to D, it is also 4. This is can also be possible, because we need to consider this particular edge to make it as minimum spanning tree. If you're not going to consider this edge, then it will be represented as two different components. A component with A, B, D. This is one component, and C, E, these two comes under other component. So instead of minimum spanning tree, we will have the components, two components from the graph. So to get these components, we need a minimum spanning tree. We need to consider C to be edge. So this is about Kruskal algorithm, where we need to sort all the edges from low weight to high. That is first step. Second step, take the edge with lowest weight and add it to the spanning tree. If adding the edge created a cycle, then you reject that. Keep adding edges until we reach all vertices, and make sure that we need to show a minimum spanning tree, not the components. So this is about Kruskal algorithm, and the content is taken from Kiran R. So thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.